Stuck with a Google problem and those help articles just aren't cutting it? Let's get you talking to a real person at Google Support fast. First, head to the Google homepage, google.com. In the search bar, type Google Support and hit enter. Locate the official Google Support website in the search results. It will usually be the top result, and the URL should be support.google.com. Click on it. You're now on the Google Support homepage. Scroll down until you see a grid or list of different Google products and services. Find the product you need help with. For example, if you have a problem with your Gmail account, click on Gmail. After choosing the product, you'll be taken to a Help Center page with articles and facts. Don't worry about these for now. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page. At the bottom, look for a Contact Us button or Contact Support link. It might also say Get Help. The exact wording can vary, but look for anything suggesting direct contact. Click this button. You'll now be asked to briefly describe your issue. Be as specific as possible. For example, if you're having trouble sending emails, type 1 can't send emails. Then, click Next. You may be presented with a list of suggested help articles again. Ignore these and look for an option like Show More Options or I Still Need Help. Click on this. Finally, you should see options to contact support via chat or email. Choose chat to start a live chat session with a Google Support representative. If chat isn't available for your specific issue or product, email will be your only option. Once you click chat, a new window will pop up, and you'll be connected to a live support agent. Describe your issue clearly and follow their instructions. And that's it. You're now chatting with Google Support.